Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can close one side of an Iron Condor on Robinhood. So let's get started. First, open your Robinhood app and go to your portfolio. Scroll down to your options positions and find the Iron Condor trade you've opened. Tap on it to view all four legs of your position, 2 calls and 2 puts. To close just one side, decide which side you want to exit, for example, the call spread or the put spread. Once you've decided, tap on either the call or put spread you want to close. You'll see both contracts of that spread appear, one long and one short. Tap Trade, then choose Close. Robinhood will automatically create a closing order for that specific side of your Iron Condor. You can choose to close it as a limit order to set your price, or use a market order if you want to exit instantly. Review the order details carefully to make sure you're only closing the side you want, then swipe up to submit order. Once the trade executes, you'll still hold the other side of your Iron Condor open, which can continue to gain or lose value depending on market movement. And that's it now. You know how to close just one side of an Iron Condor on Robinhood without closing the entire position. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.